Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Time Machine Scale Models. Now, I wasn't going to do a video today until I got this mail call. And this is from our friend Neamon Chambers, Captain Nemo. And I bought a couple model kits from him. And I was going to show them off yesterday with the stash ad. But the mail was late, so I didn't get a chance to do that. There's supposed to be something else in here too, Neamon tells me. A little bit of a Christmas present surprise. So in a couple seconds, I'm going to turn you guys around. We're going to open up this box, and we're going to see what I bought and what else is inside the box. Stick around. Well, I'm going to do my best to get all the action on camera. Neamon packaged this really good, and I think he used about a half a roll of tape. So we're going to take our time and try to figure this puzzle out. So bear with me, will ya? Alright, so lots and lots of tape, like I said. You know, anytime a fellow modeler starts selling off their collection and stuff, I feel, I don't know, I guess I feel kind of sad or whatnot. I mean, in Neamon's case, he had a different goal in mind that he wanted to pursue, so that's why he started selling off some of his model kits. And I don't blame him. Sometimes you got to do it. Sometimes you got to liquidate just to liquidate, and sometimes you got other things you want to do and other goals to pursue. So let me, I'm just going to rip this right open. Maybe not. Alright, here we go. Alright, so the first one that's right on the end that we got is the Trojan horse. So I've never had this kit before, but you know, it's completely sealed. So this is really cool. I remember this when I was a kid. I don't remember if I had a Hot Wheels car or what it was of this, but I had something of this when I was a kid. But I don't think it was ever a model kit. So let's see what else I got in here. Oh, what's this? This is a smaller box. Uh-oh. It's in its own little box, so we'll wait until the end to get that. Neamon, you did a great job packaging, my friend. Alright, so take the bubble wrap off this. And that's what we got right here. 69 Copo Nova. Pretty sweet. Sealed. Yeah, buddy. That's awesome. 2 new ones to go in the collection. In the stash. Alright. So I was just talking to Neamon about 5 minutes ago. And he asked me if I opened up the box. And I said, no, I haven't yet. And he says, well, he goes, you're going to be surprised when you open up the box. So, and this is what he was talking about. So we're gonna open this up and we're gonna see what's in this box here. I hope there's no snakes or anything in here. I think Neamon has stock in packaging tape, guys. Be a good investment. Oh, see, that's why I try not to open stuff on camera, because that was almost a slip. All right, this is like a Chinese puzzle, Rubik's Cube or something. I don't know. All right. I guess we're just gonna tear it open. It's a roll of cash. No, I'm just kidding. What is this? Nothing else in the box. What do we got here, Neamon? Hope it's not contraband. What do we got? Oh, that is red. Oh my goodness, man. It's a BMX bike. Two. One's a cruiser, lowrider style. Can you guys see that? You guys picking that up? Lowrider style bike with the spokes. And the BMX has the mags, like the whoops, not in frame, like the old Skyway Tough wheels. It's pretty rad. That is super cool, Neamon. Thank you very much. I dig it. I dig it. You guys know I'm gonna have to build these up. I got to do something with these. These are super cool. Neamon, my brother, thank you very much. This is awesome. Super, super cool. Super cool. Alright, guys. Make sure nothing else is in the box. This is awesome. This is really cool. This is really cool. Neamon, once again, thank you, my brother. And thank you for shipping these out, selling them to me. And I look forward to seeing you again on your channel. Enjoy that riding down there, and I hope you guys are getting some better weather to enjoy. Alright, that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy modeling.